Today we are clearing out invasive plants such as huckleberry and English ivy.
It takes away resources from the native plants that need all the nutrients from the soil and the sunlight and all of that to survive.
Yeah, it's going down this way.
3 times a year, we break into 5 or 6 groups of students, and we work out in the community and here on campus.
We have a blackberry root.
So it's like a way to give back to our community and make sure that everything's healthy, and because we're also the environmental school, so take care of our environment.
Well, first of all, it gives the students ownership in their community. They realize that as a 11, 12, 13-year-old, they can make a real big difference. And they also can come back in these projects and see 3 months, 6 months, 5 years later that they really made a difference.
It feels really good to do it because you're giving back to the environment, and like I said before, the environment gives us a lot.
Giving back to the community, restoring native areas, working back not just with the green environment, but also giving back in the social environment, working with food banks and homeless shelters too.
We're at St. Vincent de Paul in the Georgetown Food Bank location, and the kids come down here twice a year. We come and help out, pass food out. Well, I really think that this CSP is different than the others because without the environmental focus, the kids have a chance to see how their work impacts community members more than just the environment.
I was serving out zucchini, and every time I give them food, they just look so happy, and it made me feel so happy inside knowing that I helped someone in need today.
It's a chance to talk about different hardships that families are going through, and I just think it makes them a whole lot more aware of maybe how fortunate they are at times, and just also a resource that the community offers to families who are struggling.
I'm going to put 2 in here.
EAS started in 1999, and we've had 3 sessions of community stewardship projects every year since then.
Well, we like doing service projects because we feel it's important to give back to the community for all that they do to us. We also feel like doing service projects will further help improve the natural beauty of Washington.
You propagated yesterday?
Right now, we are propagating native plants by taking a stem cutting, which is a little part of a plant, and we are then putting it in the soil and giving it rooting hormone, allowing it to grow back, so we can protect and increase all the native plants.
So we propagate the native plants because another community service project is removing invasive plants that try to take over our environment. These plants are also being sent down to the church down the street. Some are being used at Bingford Hill.
As we all know, the earth is changing, much due to human impact, and unless we teach the young students, the young learners, that they have a role and they can make a difference, we'll have to teach them later on as adults, and it's much harder.
I feel great about it. It's it's both giving back to the community and it's also really fun at the same time.
Go ahead and just dump that, and then I can spread it around with a shovel.
Here, some of us, we've split into multiple parts. Some people, we're getting rid of basically bad plants, you could say, that are around here, so invasive species.
And it's just to make the Kirkland, Redmond, Woodinville area more biodiverse. So instead of Himalayan blackberries taking away all the other space for salal and snowberries, it's making it so that those can grow.
You look at these kids out here working, it's just amazing. It's hard where it was snowing earlier, but we've got a kind of an ethos here that together we can accomplish a lot and we can endure it together, and then we celebrate the victories afterwards. All these projects, we present what we did over the week to the rest of the school, and that's a great celebration.